Today we're going to be looking at distributive property, part of Expand and Simplify. This is brought to you by Energize Math. Please visit energizemath.com at the end of this video to download this note. Expand and Simplify. You are multiplying a monomial into a binomial or a trinomial or something, and that monomial needs to get to both those terms. So it gets distributed to both of those terms. Both terms need to be multiplied by whatever is in front. So 3 times 2x would give you 6x, and then 3 times the negative 7 would give me negative 21. Both of those terms got multiplied by that 3 in front. For the second example, you have the 4x squared getting multiplied into this entire, all 3 of those terms. So that 4x squared needs to be multiplied into all 3 things. Alright, and when you're multiplying, you're going to have to remember to add your exponents as you do it. So I can multiply my coefficient, which is 4 times 2, which is 8. Add my exponents will be x to the 5. Multiply to my second term. 4 times the 3x squared would give me 12x to the 4, adding my exponents. And then lastly, I have an invisible exponent of 1 on just that x. So when I multiply, it will be 4x, add my exponents to the exponent of 3. These are not like terms, they cannot be collected, the answer stays the way it is, and your brackets disappear. For the third example, you have 4, and then again it's multiplied into the 3x plus 1. So 4 needs to get multiplied into both of those. And then I have the negative 3 that needs to get multiplied into both of the second terms. Okay, so we have to remember to multiply the negative into both those terms as well, changing the signs. Multiplying the 4 in, the brackets will disappear, and it's simply 12x plus 4. Now 4 got multiplied to both terms. Then my negative 3 gets multiplied to both terms, and the brackets again disappear. So it'll be minus 6x plus 21. Remember, a negative times a negative is a positive. I can collect like terms. Again, my 12x and my negative 6x, they are like terms. I can write them side by side. I have my plus 4 and my plus 21. So collecting like terms, it would be 6x plus 25. And I cannot go any further because those are not like terms. This is the distributive property where you're multiplying a monomial into whatever terms are in brackets. Maybe 2 terms, 3 terms, 5 terms. You can see often the question will say expand and simplify first. Again, please visit energizemath.com to download this note. Thank you very much.